A market is a group of buyers and sellers of a particular product or service. Supply and demand is the most useful model for a competitive market and shows how buyers and sellers interact in market. Whatever be the reasons, one element that is always present is price. If the price is too low, sellers will not sell. If the price is too high, buyers will not buy. Prices play a crucial role in our economic system. Demand management activities in any global supply chain consist of three activities: demand management, demand planning, and sales forecasting management. The law of demand states that quantity demanded varies inversely within the opposite direction to changes in price. Thus, buyers will purchase more of an item at a lower price and less at a higher price. Outbound to customer logistics systems to increase levels of customer service, significant emphasis is placed on outbound to customer logistics systems. These systems refer to the set of processes, systems, and capabilities that enhance the firm's ability to serve its customers. This involves the study of physical distribution, logistics, and supply chain management. Supply and demand relationship. Demand refers to how much quantity of a product or service is desired by buyers. The quantity demanded is the amount of a product people are willing to buy at a certain price. The relationship between price and quantity demanded is known as the demand relationship. Supply represents how much the market can offer. The quantity supplied refers to the amount of a certain good the producers are willing to supply when receiving a certain price. The correlation between price and how much of a good or service is supplied to the market is known as the supply relationship. Price, therefore, is a reflection of supply and demand. The determinants of supply are: production costs, the technology used in production; the price of related goods, firms' expectations about future prices; number of suppliers. The determinants of demand are income, tastes, and preferences; prices of related goods and services; beers' expectations about future prices; number of buyers. Supply and demand determines price in a market. In a competitive market, the unit price for a particular good varies until it settles at a point where the quantity demanded by consumers at current price will equal the quantity supplied by producers at current price, resulting in an economic equilibrium of price and quantity. The four basic laws of supply and demand are: if demand increases and supply remains unchanged, then it leads to higher equilibrium price and quantity. If demand decreases and supply remains unchanged, then it leads to lower equilibrium price and quantity. If supply increases and demand remains unchanged, then it leads to lower equilibrium price and higher quantity. If supply decreases and demand remains unchanged, then it leads to higher price and lower quantity.